Very pleasant morning to every one of you present in the online 6-day faculty development program sponsored by ISTE BNY Knowledge Enhancement Program 2026, being organized by Department of Mechanical Engineering, Knowledge Institute of Technology, Salem, Tamil Nadu, on the topic Smart Machines 4.0, Intelligent Monitoring and Digital Twin for data-driven engineering systems. Ladies and gentlemen, again, we warmly welcome you all for this one-week faculty development program on this happy occasion. I take this platform, welcome the resource person of today's inauguration, Dr. G. Mageshwaran, who is a National Executive Council member, ISTE, New Delhi, on behalf of Knowledge Institute of Technology. We do warmly welcome you, sir, for this inauguration. Welcome you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
I take this platform to welcome our respected Executive Chairman, who will be joining shortly, who is motivated to all of us in this campus for this FDP. I do welcome you, sir. And also, it is my privilege to welcome the principal of this institution, Dr. K. Visaguvel, who is always guiding us, who always stand behind us in success of this institution. Welcome you, sir, on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering. Welcome you, sir.
Good morning, Anand. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Next, I would like to welcome the coordinator of this FDP and also the head of the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Dr. K.S. Prabhakaran, who always guide us for the development of the department as well the institution. I welcome you, sir, for this 6-day faculty development program.
Thank you, sir.
And also welcome the participants who joined this FDP through online across the state and various institutions and my dear faculty members of this own institution. I do welcome you all for this FDP program, which will be on Smart Machines 4.0. I do welcome all of you wholeheartedly on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, Knowledge Institute of Technology. So with this, a brief welcome note, I do welcome our department HOD and also the coordinator of this faculty development program to sum up about this faculty development program. And over to our coordinator, sir, Dr. K.S. Prabhakaran.
Thank you, Mr. Anand Kumar, sir. Respected Chief Guest, Dr. G. Maheshwaran, sir, National Executive Council member, IST New Delhi. Dr. P.S. Srinivasan, founder and president of Knowledge Institute of Technology Trust and chairman of our institution. Our esteemed principal, Dr. K. Visaguvel, sir. Distinguished resource persons, faculty members, and participants from various parts of the country. A very good morning to all. It gives me immense pleasure and privilege to present a brief overview of the ISTE BNY sponsored Knowledge Enhancement Program 2026, a one-week online faculty development program on Smart Machines 4.0, Intelligent Monitoring and Digital Twin for Data-Driven Engineering Systems, organized by the Department of Mechanical Engineering, Knowledge Institute of Technology, KIOT, Salem, in association with SA India Southern Section. The objective of this faculty development program is to equip faculty members with the latest knowledge and practical insights in emerging Industry 4.0 technologies that are transforming modern engineering systems. The program covers important domains such as smart sensors, industrial Internet of Things, digital twin technology, condition monitoring, predictive maintenance, machine learning, deep learning, computer vision, edge computing, cloud-based analytics, and real-time data-driven decision-making. Through expert lectures, case studies, demonstrations, and interactive discussions, the program seeks to bridge the gap between academia and industry while fostering innovation-oriented engineering education. I am delighted to share that this program received an overwhelming response from faculty members across the country. A total of 120 registrations were received from various engineering institutions. Based on the selection criteria and guidelines prescribed by ISTE BNY, 45 faculty members were shortlisted for participation. The selected participants represent institutions from Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Karnataka, Kerala, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, and various regions of Tamil Nadu, including Chennai, Coimbatore, Salem, Erode, and Dindigul. It is also noteworthy that 30 participants, accounting for nearly 67% of the selected participants, are ISTE members, demonstrating the strong involvement and commitment of the ISTE fraternity towards continuous professional development. I would also like to brief highlight our institution, Knowledge Institute of Technology, KIOT Salem, established under the visionary leadership of our founder and president, Dr. P.S.S. Srinivasan sir, has emerged as one of the leading technical institutions in the region. The institution is committed to providing quality technical education, fostering innovation, promoting research excellence, and nurturing industry-ready graduates through outcome-based learning practices. KIOT consistently encourages collaboration with industries, professional societies, and research organizations to create an ecosystem that supports technological advancement and lifelong learning. Our principal, Dr. K. Visahavel, is an accomplished academic leader and researcher who has been instrumental in strengthening academic quality, research initiatives, industry partnerships, and accreditation activities within the institution. Under his dynamic leadership, KIOT continues to achieve significant milestones in academics, innovation, entrepreneurship, and institutional development. The Department of Mechanical Engineering is one of the premier departments of knowledge of technology and is accredited by National Board of Accreditation (NBA). The department is recognized for its strong emphasis on academic excellence, research consultancy, innovation, and industry collaboration. It is equipped with state-of-the-art laboratories and advanced facilities in CAD/CAM, CAE, CNC technologies, robotics, industrial automation, additive manufacturing, artificial intelligence applications, and Industry 4.0 technologies. Through active collaborations with industries and professional bodies such as SAE India, the department continuously promotes skill development, research culture, innovation, and experiential learning among the faculty members and students. We are proud to organize this program in association with SAE India Southern Section, which has been actively supporting initiatives aimed at strengthening engineering education, industrial interaction, professional networking, and technological advancement. Their association adds significant value to this FDP and enriches the learning experience of all the participants. As per the guidelines of the ISTE BNY Knowledge Enhancement Program, participants must maintain a minimum attendance of 80% throughout the FDP and secure at least 60% marks in the final assessment to become eligible for the ISTE BNY certificate of the participation. We encourage all the participants to attend every session diligently, actively interact with the resource persons, and make the FDP best use of this opportunity. On this occasion, I express my heartfelt gratitude to ISTE, BNY, SAE India Southern Section, the management of Knowledge Institute of Technology, our esteemed chief guest, distinguished resource persons, organizing committee members, and all the participants for their valuable support and enthusiastic involvement in making this program a reality one. I am confident that this FDP will provide a rich platform for knowledge sharing, professional growth, collaborative learning, and meaningful discussions on the future of intelligent engineering systems and digital transformation. I wish all the participants a highly productive, enriching, and memorable learning experience throughout this faculty development program. Thank you. Welcome you all.
Thank you, sir.
Over to Anand.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your brief introduction. Talk about this FDP. Gentlemen, as our coordinator insisted, and this FDP will sure provide participants with valuable insights into emerging technologies that are transforming the engineering domain, ranging from advanced intelligent monitoring systems. Now, I take this platform to welcome our beloved principal, Dr. K. Visahavel, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Anand. I'm very happy to be part of this 6 days online FTP. First of all, I thank Dr. Maheshwaran sir accepting our invitation as a chief guest of this inauguration program from ISTE, as one of the national executive council member from ISTE New Delhi, for inaugurating this online 6 days FTP. Again, I thank ISTE, BNY, for sponsoring this knowledge enhancement program 2026 to conduct this program at the Knowledge Institute of Technology. This is again, I'm coming to thank Society of Automotive Engineering Indian Southern Section. Really, I thank the chairman and MC members team for accepting this our request, and also in association with this ISTE BNY, right? Almost disseminating this kind of information about this online FTP among across India. In addition, in association with ISTE, really we got a very good resource person from this is industry. For this, once again we thank SAE. Then coming to this institution, KIOT started in 2009, and this is almost 17 years old institution. We are entering into the 18th institution. So KIOT is one among top 50 institution, recognized institution in Tamil Nadu in terms of single window counseling admissions across 400 plus institutions. So we got this is NAC accredited autonomous institutions, and NBA accredited 4 programs are accredited. And then recently, another one proud moment to KIOT, we got a diamond rating in QSI gauge. This is 1 week back. We got this rating. It indicates our quality of educations and how we are focusing on complete the outcome of this engineering education, how we are settling our students. And then really very happy to give note about our institutions. Coming to the program, this is a wonderful program. Really, this is the need of the hour. Even to 1 month back, I had been to then Singapore. Then I met many industry persons and universities. Then everywhere now the huge requirement for this is the skilled persons. So now in India we are focusing more on knowledge, and that is we are also here we are going to give knowledge. In addition to knowledge, then they are expecting more skilled persons. So like even through Maheshwaran sir, and I know that this National Skill Development Corporation is also working on this. Even they are always endorsing this or NSDC like certificates. They are expecting NSDC certified persons and other things in across the world. Why I'm coming to say, so what they are telling now, so that single skill set will not be sustained for a long time. So every 6 months, even the skill set and knowledges are that is changing. That is the ultimate message they are sharing. So even they are advising in our curriculum also, they are advising to change at least 6 months or 1 year. We have to plug in whatever new development in industry into regular curriculum and syllabus. It has to be given as one of the that is a credit course in our structure. That is easy for recruiting and placing this across the world. People are telling. So in this connection, KIOT really having wonderful curriculum. We established that is industry curriculum, and almost whatever technology comes, so that is we are able to adopt in our curriculum model. That's why we framed our regulations and curriculum. We are giving that is on par with that is what is world requirement. So in this connection, this program really will be more helpful not only to the KIOT, and this is across India. This is a online faculty development program on smart machines 4.0. Intelligent monitoring and digital twin. This is one of the area. So earlier we have done only on a simulation part using the system. Now entirely it has been changed, and now the digital twin model has come. Whatever things, this is a before going to the proof of concept. So completely we can do practice and everything can be done in digital twin. The same kind of that is things may come in that is real time. So this is even from to space technology, starting from space to the last end. So everywhere now people are expecting the digital twin. That is for any kind of new product development and any kind of testing and other things. So this is a right topic and a right time. Another one, that the total industry, that is earlier, even up to 2017-18. So the core engineering demand were very high. So after that, this corona again, the computer science, every student has started to go towards the computer science. Now again, the people are coming to CC, electrical and mechanical, but the requirement is not changing, but the mindset of the students and parents are changing. It indicates. But here, AI has come. AI is always simplifying our work, day-to-day work. We want to do for 3 months or 6 months. So using the AI, it can be completed within the 2-3 days or at least 3 hours. People are telling. So then it is coming. There is a big changes. So always this what is this this kind of technology always the enabler to the core engineering. So where the digital twin also, this kind of the technology is the biggest enabler on our manufacturing side, on any kind of product development side, any kind of testing side. Really, these wonderful things. Even without technology, we cannot survive. But whatever technology comes, it has to be incorporated in regular curriculum, as well as our faculty team have to be always updated. That is the order of the day. So in this mindset, AICTE is coming forward, is giving, that is always funding the institution to organize such kind of program. It is named as a knowledge enhancement program. Really, the faculty knowledge will enhance, there is no doubt. Even here, that is our team has identified 19 resource persons. So out of 19, almost there is a mixed race. 30 are from that is a premier institutions. The professors are going to address. So they are going to disseminate the knowledge among the faculty members and students how it has to be done. Anyhow, the people are working in these areas. The researchers also, so that is going to give contributions to this program. Apart from this, around that is 70% are from industry persons. Really, this is the good blend of academicians and industry persons. Really, this all 6 days will be very interesting and what is this, very informative. As Prabhakar said, my only one request to all the participants, so kindly free yourself, then try to concentrate and attend all 6 days without skipping even a single minute. Definitely, it will be more useful program to all the faculty members and that is industry person who are attending this program. It will be more useful. Definitely, it is the need of the hour. You have to communicate. You have to disseminate this information to your next layer, the faculty and students. That is my request. And once again, I thank ISTE, BNY for sponsoring this program, 6 days FDP, as well as once again, I thank SA India Southern Section for associating with this and disseminating the information among this SA India Southern Section members community and providing the good resource persons. I thank Dr. Maheshwaran sir. Is always a visionary person. Is a part of this our ISTE, right? Always he is part of our improving our what is this national education policy, as well as improving our education system in India. Thank you for participating as a chief guest of inaugurating this program in this 6-lane optic program. Thank Maheshwaran sir, and thank Dr. Prabhakar for coordinating this entire program and faculty members of mechanical engineering. Thank you very much. There is best wishes to all the participants. Over to Professor Anand.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much for your positive note on this happy occasion. Ladies and gentlemen, this awaiting moment has come. Now let us have the pleasure of inviting the chief guest of this inauguration, Dr. G. Maheshwaran, who is a National Executive Council member, ISTE New Delhi, to address the gathering. Over to you, sir.
Yes, sir. Good morning to one and all.
Morning, sir.
Respected Executive Chairman of Knowledge Institute of Technology, Professor Dr. P.S. sir. Respected Principal of Knowledge Institute of Technology, my own good friend, Visavel sir, and Prabharan sir, Anand sir, and all the participants. Good morning to one and all. And first of all, I want to tell you how it came this ISTE BNY. There are, it is the Society, Indian Society for Technical Education, and there are two main members behind this. That is our national chairman, Dr. Professor Pratap Singh Desai, and my own colleague, National Executive Council member, and Prabhu. These are the people who brought this ISTE BNY to life, because it has to be, this knowledge has to be transferred. The industry knowledge has to be transferred to the institutions, which again it will be transferred to the students. This is what it has happened between this ISTE, BNY. This is behind the scenes because we have to thank our national president, Pratap Singh Desai, and Mr. Prabhu. Without them, this project would have not been come to life. Thank you so much. Even though they are not here, our wholehearted thanks to them. And I have to thank the management of Knowledge Institute of Technology and the principal, because whatever we say, they say, yes, we are ready for improving the knowledge of people across India. This is the mindset of the management of knowledge. Special thanks to the management, executive chairman, and the principal. And when we talk about this FDP, Faculty Development Program, my dear friends, understand the dynamics of education, how it is happening in India. Slowly, now we are talking about accreditation of institutes. Mark my words, a day will come, then individual faculty will go for accreditation. If myself, Maheshwaran, Professor Dr. Maheshwaran, if I want to get a job or I want to be in an industry, they will be asking me, what is your accreditation? I'll be telling A plus plus, B plus, or whatever it is. The rating I will be telling. No more the resume, a complete resume will be there. What is my specialization and what is my accreditation and who has accredited me? This is going to come. See, for this, what we have to do is, as rightly said by the principal of the institute, enhance yourself. Knowledge, and rightly said by him, skill is very important. My dear friends, after completing this FDP, if possible, create a time. I never tell you if time permits. We have to create the time. Create a time. Go to the industry. Be in the industry for at least 1 week to 10 days. Be there. Get the permission of the college and get the permission of the industry. Be there for 10 days. Equip yourself. I tell you that you can read how to drive a car, 100 books. But when you take a car to the road, yes, you cannot drive. You can have a number of knowledge, infinite knowledge. When talk about skill, yes, you have to work. Unless otherwise, when you enter into a car, sit in a car, drive in the road, you cannot drive a car. Today, students and many faculty members, they are studying 100 books about a car. But when students are entering into industry, they are asking about skilling. As rightly said by our principal, skilling is important. My dear friends, because our industry survives. When we go talk about reverse engineering, the output of our institute is a job or making a student as an entrepreneur. That is very important. Yesterday, I visited a good friend. He completed his BE Civil Engineering and Structural Engineering, and he became an entrepreneur. Now he is supplying commodities across the world, and he is doing turnover around the 50 to 60 crores every year. See, all this, it has happened because of his mentor, who is also a staff member. His staff member, you have to become mentor. See, hereafter, the scene will change. Mentoring, it has started in New Delhi. I will give you one good example. You would have heard about many IAS coaching centers. And there are good coaching centers. For example, Next IAS is there. And many IAS good coaching centers are there. Now, what it is happening, previously people went to New Delhi and people were there. Then they will be getting all this coaching. Then they will be appearing for examination. Now the scene has changed. Now mentoring has come. The best staff member takes 10 to 15 students. Then they do mentoring. People are studying from the regional centers or from their home. So this is what it is happening. Why I am telling this, as a staff member, your mentoring is very important for the students. How you can mentor them when we have good knowledge in the subject, we can do mentoring. See, take one subject, be expert in them. Don't be jack of all trades, be a king of one trade. That is important. So, my dear staff members, it is an alarming situation because we talk about the students are not getting job. I always tell industry needs problem-solving engineers. When we talk about mechanical engineering, last year mechanical engineering, it has started its boom. It has started its boom towards admissions. It is like a cycle. Ups and downs. It is like a sine curve. Up will be there, down will be there. But I will tell you, don't think about admissions. Always there are jobs for civil, mechanical, triply EC and computer. And there are always jobs for people who are ready to solve the problems. If you are a degree holder, yes, the student will not get a job. But if you are a problem-solving engineer, yes, you will get a job. When we talk about mechanical engineers, yes, as rightly said by our principal, you have to make them ready for the industry. For example, they can get expertise in MEP, they can get expertise in EMP, they can get expertise in HAVA, because you would have heard about Middle East war, and many things has gone. Restructuring is going to happen after 3 to 4 years. There will be a huge demand for engineers, civil, mechanical, triple engineers in Middle East with a huge salary. There should be a vision. There should be a vision where I want to go, where I have to, because when you start your travel, you have to fix out where I have to go. For example, if you are in Salem, from knowledge, if you want to reach Chennai, the direction is important. You may go in 60 kilometer speed, 80 kilometer speed, or 100 kilometer speed. When you take the right direction, you will reach Chennai. The time may vary. You may reach at the 4 p.m. or 5 p.m., 6 p.m., 7 p.m. But the direction is important. My dear staff members, you take a right direction where you want to land. You make the students to take a direction where they want to land. Mentor them. What is their capacity? What they can do? And mentor and see what the industry experts. That is important. This is about why you have to do FDP, and FDP alone is not enough, my dear faculty members. Then we talk about smart machines 4.0. What is 1.0? Machine 1.0, it is started from people, muscle power, the animal muscle power and the human muscle power, it transferred to machine power. That is 1.0. Second, it 2.0, it is because of mass production. Then it came 3.0, that is for automation. Now, intelligent system has entered, that is 4.0. My dear friends, here it is very important that a machine will give you a message. For example, if it is a CNC machine, and if the vibration of a bearing is not proper, it will send a message that the bearing is not proper. Based on the vibration, it will be sending a message that you have to change the bearing within 48 hours. See, always nowadays, the machines, no more, it is preventive measures. It is everything, it will be always, we have done before, everything was based on a response. What happened, then we can come to a solution. Nowadays, machine, it will be on preventive action. Before anything happens, the machine will send us a message. That is completely, it is by cyber and physical. This is in machine 4.0. Everything will be machine 4.0. Even if you are seen in your own house, vacuum mob will be there. The mob will do everything, but the direction, you have to give the direction. Always, a man is very important. The human intelligence is important. The human intelligence, when you understand the machine, how it works, how you can use, then you can survive and you can be master. And learning is not limited, my dear friends. When you have continuous learning, you can have continuous learning. When you stop learning, you can stop your learning. This is how this universe works. So see to that you are getting equipped. Don't stop with this. Go to the nearby industry, equip yourself. That is important. And no more industry needs only a civil engineer, only a mechanical engineer, only a triple engineer, or only a communication engineer. Industry needs a civil engineer with AI, DA, ML. Mechanical engineer with AI, DA, ML. And electrical engineer with AI, ML, and DA. So no more hereafter that AI is not my subject, data analytics is not my subject, machine learning is not my subject. We cannot do like that. You cannot separate anything, because the industry needs a person who can understand the problem and how he can implement the AI, how he can implement the data analytics, how much data is going to use. Everything is important. He should understand what is ML. ML, you cannot tell that it is related with mechanical engineers. Everyone, if he is an engineer hereafter, they can survive only if they know AI, DA, and ML. And whatever prompt you are using, you are going to use, that is important. You can use a prompt only when you understand the problem in the machinery, or problem in the site, or problem in an equipment, whatever it is. Without that, you cannot use a prompt. So understanding the situation, understanding the machine, understanding the equipment, That is very, very, very important. So basics, make the students to understand the basics, make the students to be more in the labs, make the laboratories more useful. So my dear students, this is a fantastic platform and fantastic topic. It was taken by KIOT, that is Knowledge Institute. Make use of it. Don't stop here. I always tell you, don't stop here. The accreditation for institutes, it will be transferred to accreditation to staff members. It is going to happen. It may be after 3 years, 4 years, 5 years, whatever it is. The time frame, we cannot tell, but there will be a situation. For that, you cannot work at the last moment. The accreditation list will be there. These are the things you need. How many times you see we are talking about students internship? Mark my words, there will be faculty internship. How many days faculty has worked in an industry? All these are going to come. It is an eye-opening. This session will be an eye-opening. Always be cautious. Don't think it has happened in somewhere else. You would have thought about Corona. Corona, once it was in China. We all thought that it is in China. Oh, nothing will happen to me. Then it came to Delhi. We thought nothing will happen to me. Then it came to Kerala. We thought it will not come to me. Then it entered our own state. We thought it will not come to me. Then our own district. Then our own town. Then the next street. Then it came to our own street. Then he entered into our home. It is not for Corona alone. It is for everything. The whole world is of chain reaction and chain actions. Whatever it happens in X in any part of this country, it will affect us. So my dear faculty members, make use of this opportunity, but don't stop learning. When you stop learning, it will stop your learning. Thank you so much for that fantastic opportunity given by the management, the executive chairman, I'm the principal and the FDP coordinator for this session. Thank you so much. God bless us all.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir.
Yes, Anand, I think now we are moving to program, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. What are
Yes,
the next session?
Yes, please.
Thanks. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. We come to an end of this inauguration of this 6-day FDP Faculty Development Program. Let me have this pleasure and take this opportunity to thank our resource person, that is, the chief guest of inauguration, Dr. Maheshwaran. Thank you, sir, for sharing your expertise and experiences. Definitely, we take your words to enrich our knowledge for our future career. On behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, Knowledge Institute of Technology, Salem, Tamil Nadu, we wholeheartedly thank you for your gracious presence for this inauguration. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you also. Right. Best wishes for the all 6 days program. Thank you.
Thank you all. Thank you all.
Thank you.
Thank you, Ji. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir.
Let me take this opportunity to thank our executive chairman for his well wishes, and also Dr. K. Visagavel, who is the principal of our institution, for his gracious presence and for his positive note. Thank you, sirs. And also thank our head of the department, Dr. K.S. Prabhakaran, coordinator of this faculty development program. Thank you, sir, for your brief introduction about our department, also this FDP. Thank you very much. And also thank the directors of our own institutions who have joined this online program. And also thank all the participants who joined this 6-day FDP program. As our chief guest said earlier, definitely this FDP will be eye-opening to every one of us who joined in this online session. Thank you very much on behalf of Department of Mechanical Engineering, Knowledge Institute of Technology. Thank you.